Some days back, I had talked about the importance of trade documentations and how it helps improving your psychology. And one essential part of documenting your trades is basically creating a tracker. Now, I'm going to show you an example. This example is based on a 25 lakhs rupees based account and how this was tracked. It was tracked from I think 2023 September, and more than any of the numbers, na profit loss, वगैरह, the fantastic ROIs, etc. I would want you to focus more on how it was captured. That means what are the essential elements of creating a tracker, right? बाकी numbers आप भूल जाओ, वो तो those are for flexing, but we need to focus on the elements. So basically, the critical part is having a live tracker. So for present holding, you need a live tracker. I have used Google Finance for this, right? Because there's a finance option which seemed easy at that time, fetches live data. But the problem is that since we do most of our trades on futures and we actively hedge also, the problem is that you have to do it on a spot basis. So what I have done, I'll tell you that this present holding and cumulative PNL, etc., it is done on a spot basis. I separately capture the hedge part of it, and I also maintain the stock wise performance. That means which stock has given us the pleasure and pain. So both are captured here. क्योंकि क्या है ना, कभी कभी होता है कि दैट द स्ट्रक्चर में बी राइट, बट I don't know whether it happens with you, but sometimes some stocks never works in our favor, right? I have a few of those culprits, and I'm sure most of you may be having it. But so just to have a data बैकिंग दैट अप, सो दैट सिर्फ गट बेस पे नहीं, कुछ डेटा भी कुछ दिखाएगा कि चलो ये स्टॉक मेरे लिए परफॉर्म नहीं करता है. द मास्टर डेटा एंड स्टॉक डेटा बेसिकली द ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट फ्रॉम वेयर द डेटा इज फेच्ड, right? So these are the elements. So present holding, cumulative PNL, hedge, stock wise performance, and the master data and the stock data, right? These are the first level of elements. Now I'm going to talk about on this cumulative PNL part, right? Present holding, hedge वगैरह वो हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे. hedge कुछ भी नहीं है, हम लोग जितने भी सारे hedge लेते हैं उसकी जो cost है and the impact we capture. Now coming back to this the cumulative part of it, yeah, this was captured from 2023 September. Now all the trades needs to be documented. तो आपने ये present holding जो है, the reason I'm not opening this up because I'm doing it in a live market. There are still some stocks which may be showing, so I don't want to get there. But यहाँ पे आप देखोगे that we have the script details that and all of this, whether it's a buy or a sell, and the size, lot, quantity, etc., that gets fetched. So the moment you pick the stock, rest of the things are getting automatically fetched. Since it's a cumulative data based on the closed trade, so the exit dates are mapped, right? So exit date, entry price, exit price, कितना margin required था, realization on that particular trade, and ROI for that particular trade, and trade ranking, right? You may see that the top trades rank 1 2 3 4 ranking बन के आएगा कि that आपका ये time phase में which are the ones which really performed, right? Those sort of trades, that gives a good feeling, right? And this top trades rank is presently not, I think it's showing there's some data error. McDowell का मेरे ख्याल से data उसने fetch नहीं कर पाया, so that's why it's showing an error, right? And whether it is a win and loss. Now we capture all of this, right? And on the extreme right, you will see that these are the cumulative value, right? Now the person who was holding this was having a 25 lakhs rupees base account, so 25 plus this is his profit numbers. Now don't get excited or dejected by the performance. The idea is not about flexing this performance. The idea is to show you the elements of this trade documentation sheet. Now coming back to this, you need to capture the number of winning trades as well as losing trades and the max min ratio of the winning and losing trades, the average win and the average loss, and also make a ratio out of it. So you know exactly that at what point per trade you need to get anxious, right? So that means अगर एवरेज आप देखोगे कि दैट 20,000 का लॉस है, ठीक है, सो द मोमेंट आई हिट 20-25,000 per position, I need to be cautious because that has been my hit rate. It may further improve going forward, but as of now, this is what should be my worry point, Lakshman Rekha. And the most critical critical part in this particular tracker is these bar charts. Why? Because this captures, if you see, the realizations. So how many trades where I lost more money, more than 50,000 loss. You can have your own base, milestones. ये 50 को आप 1 लाख भी कर सकते हो. But since this was a छोटा अकाउंट, 25 लाख के ऊपर था, तो मैंने 50,000 के ऊपर का अगर लॉस होगा, 10,000 से 50,000 कितना लॉस हुआ. एंड सिमिलरली ऑन द प्रॉफिट साइड ऑल्सो, 10 से 50,000 का लॉस, 50,000 के ऊपर का, 10 से 50,000 का प्रॉफिट और 50 के ऊपर वाला प्रॉफिट. एंड then you calculate the percentage, and this bar basically visualizes that how you are performing till the time you are able to keep these bars, the first few bars, low, compared to the win bars where you are making profit. You will do good. If you see, 10 to 50,000 profit is more than this 10 to 50,000 का जो लॉस है ना, उससे ज़्यादा. तो ये थोड़ा सा आपको देखना पड़ेगा. एंड बिफोर इवन आई एम शोइंग यू दिस, इट्स एन एग्जाम्पल. यू मे बी फार बेटर इन गूगल शीट एंड एक्सेल, राइट? आई एम नॉट दैट ग्रेट. मैंने यहाँ वहाँ से सीखा है, सीख के जितना भी हो सके आई हैव क्लिप दिस. बट whole idea is that document your trades, and on a monthly basis also, not only the win and loss, but also see how good you are at the long side and how good or bad you are on the short side, right? And always keep checking your monthly performance, right? That will give you an understanding of your strategy efficiency. For example, the objective is not to have these high bars, the objective is not that. Or the objective is that how can I keep these loss bars smaller. अब देखोगे मार्च में March was a disaster. Like for most trend followers, it was a disaster. The whole idea was how can I keep that small and how I can recover it fast. And these long bars, the more consistent I am not looking into more of these high bars and fluctuations. I need to just keep it consistent. There should be a median value, and that if that's achieved, कि 2 से 5 लाख मेरा मीडियन वैल्यू है, उसके ऊपर जो भी हो, तो वो मीडियन वैल्यू अचीव करना, दैट्स द ऑब्जेक्टिव. सो दीज आर द बेसिक पार्ट्स ऑफ अ ट्रेडिंग जर्नल, ट्रैकर, कुछ भी नाम दे दो. एंड इफ़ यू वांट, आई विल बी शेयरिंग दिस ऑल्सो एज अ टेम्पलेट. प्लीज़ काइंडली गो थ्रू इट एंड मेक योर ओन. देखो किसी का ना आप अडॉप्ट नहीं कर सकते हो, आपको खुद को बनाना है. बट again, I am repeating, the whole idea is that please document your trades. The time you complete 300 plus trades, जब आप कैप्चर कर लोगे ना, your psychology, your execution capacity, your mental capacity to handle drawdowns, etc. will improve drastically. So I thought that I'll make a short video. This is the first part of it. We are going to talk about the present holding as well as how to do the stock wise performance and master data. And as I said earlier also, if you want it, I'll send you the template. Use it. अगर आपको वो benefit कुछ भी मिलता है, then I'll be more than happy.